Hello guys, welcome back to our channel at AC Electricals. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. If you find yourself in a situation whereby your lid is locked and you are unable to open it, and then there's food inside, don't panic. I'll show you steps on how to open up this pot without taking it back to the supplier, without returning it back to the clicks. So if you find yourself with the lid that is locked and you are unable to open the pot, just go underneath. There's one screw there. Remove the screw, remove this cover. Inside here you will find about 4 screws that are holding the pot inside, the one with levers, locking levers. So unscrew it. When you unscrew it, you'll be able to lift the pot inside that one, the one that the lid is locked to. So the pot that I'm referring to is this one. The 4 screws that will be unscrewed underneath will be releasing this pot. This pot will be able to lift up from the cover. So when this is up there, so there's nothing that is tidying the lid. It's only the lid that is tied to this. So the lid will be able to move without any pressure. You might use, because it will be locked in a different area, you'll need someone to assist you to unscrew it. So that's how you are able to release the lid from the pot without damaging anything else. Then when it's back, when you put back your pot, ensure that with this being the face, your handles are at 90 degrees with your face are at 90 degrees with the handle. Then you put the pot back, you screw it back. So by putting it at 90 degrees, you will be aligning the small lever. The small lever must be on the right side of the right hand side handle must be on the right side, the small lever. So that way you know that it's aligned properly. You'll be able to lock and unlock your pot without any problems.